How to make Instagram Reels using Filto like a pro. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video clips or photos you want to include in your Instagram Reel from your gallery. Next, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio to match Instagram Reels full screen vertical format. Now use Filto's wide range of filters and effects to give your video a professional look. Try popular styles like vintage, glitch, or neon effects to make your reel stand out. Add stickers or overlays to make your video more creative and engaging. Don't forget to add music from Filto's built-in library or upload your own audio to match the vibe of the reel. Once you are happy with your edit, preview the reel to ensure everything looks polished and engaging. Finally, tap the save button to export your video in high quality, then upload it directly to Instagram. Now you know how to make Instagram Reels using Filto like pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.